All right there, boys and girls, here we are. Day 3 of our March daily math, not February. If 28 green jelly beans are shared equally by 4 friends, how many does each friend get? Write the equation. So write the equation, don't forget that. All right, so we have the full thing of 28 jelly beans, and we're dividing them between what? 4 friends. Okay, so 28 divided by 4, you can use your chart, whatever you need to do. Something times 4 is 28. You can start at 1. No, obviously, right? 2, that's only 8. That's not enough. So something else times 4, right? It's got to be a bigger number. Well, that's 4, 8, 12, 7. 7, and then I'm going to use those as our jelly bean labels. So 28 divided by 4 friends is 7 jelly beans for each friend. Okay, number 2. 502. What number is 10 less? Well, we're going to cover up the ones column. Now we just have tens. Okay? Well, we have 50 right now. What's 1 less than that? Because we want 110 less than that. So cover up the 0. There's a 1. Okay, so what's 1 less than 50? Yeah, 49. 49 is 1 less than 50. Don't forget your 2 in your ones column though, right? Now this says 20 less than this number. Again, that's 2 less than 50 then. So 49, 48. Very good. So really, when we're doing those, that is a 2, sorry. I want you to think of that, well, as a way, maybe maybe it's a little tip or trick that will work for you, but we can cover up the ones column in every one of those, okay? And if we do that, it's really like saying our number's 50. What is 1 less? What is 2 less than 50? So 1 less than 50 is 49. 2 less than 50 is 48. Same difference, except it's 110. Okay? All right, let's carry on. Number 3, finding a 4-leaf clover is lucky. Finn has 48 4-leaf clovers. Must be really lucky. His friend has 23. About, ooh, it's underlined. That must be a very important word in this problem. About how many more does Finn have? So we're going to end up comparing this to the other person. Oh, round each number to the nearest 10. Okay. So Finn has 48. So really close to 48 is 40 or 50. What's 48 closer to? Well, 49, 50. It's only 2 away from 50. So we know that's already closer. And then we have that his friend has 23. Well, 23, you go 22, 21, 20. That's only 3 away from 20. Okay. And then we're comparing those, so we need to subtract. Okay, so 50 minus 20, well, 5 minus 2 is 3. 50 minus 20 is 30. So about 30 4-leaf clovers. All right. Oh, we get the bonus extra coin problem. Finn's fractions. Finn cannot think of a fraction that is less than 1/2. Help him, please. So this says 1/2 is greater than blank. Well, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to use the same numerator trick that we learned earlier in fraction unit. Because I know that as long as my numerators are the same, that my denominator, the bigger and bigger it gets, the smaller and smaller the piece, right? So, as long as the 2 is less than the bottom number, we're going to have a smaller fraction. So, We could have 1/3, 1/4, 1/5, 1/6. Any single number with a 1 on the top, as long as it's greater than 2, we're going to have a fraction where a half is greater than that fraction. If you did get into 2s or 3s or 4s up at the top, then maybe compare it to the half, right? So if you have a 4 up top, say you had a 4 right there, then your bottom, 4 times 2 is 8. So your bottom has to be greater than an 8 then. So 9, 10, 11, 12. And that would be another way to do it, okay? All right, number 5. Lucky Charms marshmallows. Tamara has a big bag of Lucky Charms marshmallows. How many marshmallows are in her bag? Well, let's look at them all. So there's 4 kinds of marshmallows in her bag. Hearts. That's about 25. Okay, so I'm going to write a 25 over here. And let's see, next up we have stars. Well, that's 35. Okay, and horseshoes are 50. And, whoa, moon's way up here to 75. Okay, so 5 and 5 is 10. And 5 more is 15. And I'm going to go like this. 2 and 3 is 5, right? And 5 and 5 is 10. So there's 10 plus 7 is 17. And 1 more is 18. Again, did you see how I did that? So 5, 10, 15. Write down the 5, carry over the 1, right? And then I added the 2 and 3 to make a 5. And then 5, those 2 plus this 5 was 10. Now I can easily add the 7, which is 17. And the 1 more is 18. So 185 marshmallows. All right. Great job with that, boys and girls. And we will see you tomorrow for day 4 of your March Daily Math.